Hi everyone, my name is Doug Prater. I am the CTO of iAwake Technologies and the Creative Director as well. I composed the music and created the entrainment for Jonathan Robinson's near-death experience meditation. And I wanted to say, which I did not get to mention in the workshop, in the live workshop that we did, just how profoundly transformative this tool has been for me in my life and my practice. When this was first introduced to me as a potential project to work on, the very same week that I heard this for the first time, entered into something of a tumultuous period in my life, which has been ongoing. And working with this meditation, both the first time I heard it and on all the subsequent occasions that I listened to it as I composed the music and edited the vocals and everything else, has profoundly shaped the way I have experienced things in my life in terms of finding my center, clarifying my values, learning and operating from a knowledge of what is truly important to me and the person that I want to be in the world. Working with this meditation has helped me get clear on exactly what's important to me and why those things matter and how I want to live. It has helped me to show up differently as I navigate some challenging life situations. It has helped me to relate differently to the world around me from the place that I want to operate from. It has helped me to show up differently in challenging conversations. And perhaps most importantly, it has helped me reframe the way I think of myself going through these experiences and relate to my own self and my own challenges differently. This is an incredible tool. iAwake has a lot of great products, but this one for me really has been a game changer, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. This is something that I have been so excited to work on and am just thrilled to have the opportunity to share with each and every one of you. Thank you.